Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Robert, the Daily Trader. It is November 9th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is falling down again today. So we are down $13.71. That's 7.17%. Closed at 177.59. Post market, we are down by a further 40 cents. This is completely crazy. We have learned that Elon has started selling shares of Tesla again. So we have some Form 4s here that you can take a look at. November 4th, he sold a bunch of stock. The best person to go see to get more information about that is Tesla Daily Podcast. He has a great summary of this. Elon started selling on Friday. So Friday, November 4th. And we saw that the stock started quite high during that day, but then was squished down like crazy. And something that's interesting, stochastic never went over 60. So this move up was not to be believed. It almost seemed like a technical analysis knew what was going on. Then the stock started to plunge. And we also have a plunge today, November 9th. We are going to know eventually if Elon sold some stocks today. So let's look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this day happened. We had the gap down on Tuesday. We had the gap down on Tuesday, and then we basically stayed sideways in the congestion zone. Then the first hour of the day was undecided. That the body of the candle is very small, so it means that we opened pretty much at the same place that we closed during that first hour. And we have a long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom. So the stock went in both directions and then finished off midway without much move. But then from the second hour on, we started to come down. We stabilized a little bit at 130 and at 230, but for the last candle, we started going down again. This was quite clear here what happened here on the 5-minute chart. And look at the big volume that we have here on that last hour. This is a buy volume a little bit because this is a green candle. But definitely there's something happening right here. Let's go back to the daily chart. So in terms of the daily chart, we had mentioned that 181.84 was the next stop for Tesla, but we did not even stop there. We just went through there today. So then if we look a little bit further, we have support at 111, but that's a little bit far. We have other support right here at 156. So let me jot it down. So 156.33 is some support area a little bit. Let's see if we go there. For sure, this is really steep. This is really steep. I would be surprised if it lasts a long time, but definitely this is very strange. This is another example of why I don't hold a stock when it goes down, because we never know. Even though the company is great, we never know when it is going to stop. We have a lot of uncertainty in the market. There's a war in Ukraine, there's inflation, there's the midterms in the US, there's a lot of uncertainty. And there's also Elon that has purchased Twitter, and the people are basically laughing at him. They are laughing at the layoffs that he's doing. Some are thinking that he does not know what he's doing and everything, that he's haphazard. I guess this is not helping Tesla stock either. In terms of the indicators, so stochastic extremely low at 0.78. This is extremely low. RSI is now officially in the oversold position. MACD has turned back into a bearish crossover, and the MI is extremely wide. If we look at Tesla, so last year Tesla was at approximately $400, and now it's less than 200. Within a year, Tesla has lost half of its value. This is why I do technical analysis, because even though this is a great company, if there's a downtrend, I'm keeping my money. I'm not letting it dwindle. because when it is going to start to go back up again, we are going to see it. We are going to see the pattern change. And at that point, we are going to buy back. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you a lot.